Hello everyone, I'm Sona Bhatt, your interview coach, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about one question that I'm hearing again and again during my training sessions across different platforms or even in my DMs. How are companies laying off people and still hiring at the same time? Because if you are a job seeker, this feels very confusing. You are seeing layoff in the news everywhere, and at the same time, job openings from the same companies are also there. And naturally, you start thinking, okay, if they are firing people, why they are hiring at the same time? As a job seeker, this is very confusing as well as frustrating. So let's slow this down and understand what's actually happening, because this is not random, trust me. And once you understand this, your job search strategy will completely change. So first thing, you need to understand that layoffs today are not always about companies being in trouble. In many cases, companies are still doing very well financially. They are just restructuring. I'll give you an example. If you want to renovate your house, you don't break part of the house because it's collapsing, right? You break it because you want to rebuild it in a better way. Same. That's exactly what's happening, especially in tech job market. Companies are cutting roles that are repetitive, low impact, or they can be automated at the same time. They are hiring for roles that are more aligned with AI, more data driven, or directly linked with business growth. So it's not that jobs are disappearing, it's that jobs are changing, and you have to understand that. In fact, data from platforms like Indeed and LinkedIn shows that companies today are becoming more selective. They are not increasing headcount blindly. They are hiring very specific skill sets. Second thing, companies are trying to become lean after aggressive hiring in the past few years, especially during COVID. Many companies realized that they had more roles than they actually needed. So now they are optimizing, which means they might remove 100 roles and open 20 new ones that are more aligned with the future needs. And you know what is future all about? AI, data. Third, and this is very important, different teams inside the same company behave differently. A company might be laying off in one department and hiring in the another at the same time because priorities are shifting. So now the real $1,000,000 question is, what does this mean for you as a job seeker? See, first thing, stop taking layoff personally. I say this again and again, stop taking this personally. See, in many cases, it's not about your performance. It's about how relevant your role is today. And second thing, you need to align yourself with where hiring is happening, not where it's slowing down. This is where most people go wrong. They keep applying for the same roles without noticing that the demand has shifted. Third thing, focus on how you position yourself. That is very important because companies are no longer just asking, can you do this job? They are asking, do you fit into where we are going next, about future? And that's a very different expectations. So instead of asking why are companies doing layoff and hiring altogether, start asking where is the opportunity in this shift and how to align it with my skill set. Because layoff and hiring happening at the same time is not a contradiction. It's a signal, clear signal, a signal that the market is evolving and your strategy need to evolve with it. So if you are part of layoff or if you are applying to companies and you are not getting any callback or your applications are getting rejected, you need to rethink about your strategy. You need to think about whether your strategies, your skill set or your role is aligned with the future requirement. If not, review it, find the right strategy. You can always talk to me, just drop a message and we can talk about this. If this video helped you to understand what exactly happening in job market, give it a like button and do share it with someone who's job searching right now. You can also follow me on LinkedIn to get regular updates and help regarding your job search. Your coach, Sona Bhatt.